Hi, in this short video, I'm going to show you how to outrank your competition and get on the top of the first page of Google without paid ads, usually in 30 days or less. As a local business owner, do you find yourself struggling sometimes to find new customers or patients? If so, you're not alone. It can be tough trying to juggle all the demands expected of you while running a business, and then in addition, the pressures of trying to find new customers. That's where I come in. My name is William Knoll, and I am the owner of leadsupport.net. This is a picture of me and my family at our favorite restaurant, Musashi's, here in Oklahoma City. Since 2005, Lead Support has helped local businesses improve their online presence and grow their bottom line. You may have tried to do your own marketing in the past and found that it can truly be overwhelming and even time-consuming, or perhaps you've hired another company, an SEO company, and they may have over-promised and under-delivered. Well, we understand that, so we're here to offer a better solution. That's why our customers do not pay us until they see results, period. And we don't believe in long-term contracts, so we work on a month-to-month basis. That way, you have the liberty of changing services anytime you feel free to. Now imagine having a steady stream of new customers or patients coming through your doors every month, or if you are a service-based business, new customers that you get to go out and see every month. And this works for almost any business, including the ones I have listed here. The top three that we've seen results with are dentists, realtors, and lawyers. Then after that, we have the roofers, plumbers, HVAC, pest control, electrician, garage door repair. And then below those, there are some other niches. Feel free to pause the video now and see if your business is listed, but don't be discouraged if it is not. We will tell you in advance if this is something we can do for you. Again, feel free to pause the video. Imagine being so busy that you have to hire more staff or even open another office. Those are the type of problems we try to create for our customers. Imagine finally being able to reach your growth goals that you have for your business. Again, that's what we do for our customers. So how do we do it? By getting your practice or your business in the Google 3-pack. And again, usually we can do this in 30 days or less. So why the 3-pack? Sometimes it's a 4-pack. There are 4 businesses there. Your patients/customers do not trust paid ads anymore. They understand that anyone with $1 can pay it to Google and be in the listed as a sponsor. And they've learned by experience those are not the best companies always. But they do trust businesses who Google puts in their 3-pack. So people searching on Google believe that if you are in the 3-pack, you are one of the best businesses in your community. Now normally it would take several months and a small army to get a business in the 3-pack, but we have a proprietary software that can do it in just a matter of a few days. And remember, you don't have to pay us a dime until we get you in the 3-pack. All the risk is on us. So your patients and customers are searching Google every day and sometimes calling on your competitors. We can change that and get them to call on you. We find keywords that people are searching for in your area and attach your location to them. This way Google sees your business as being relevant for those keywords. What kind of keywords? How about dentist with 2.2 million searches per month? Or maybe you're an attorney, bankruptcy attorney, 368,000 searches a month. Maybe you're a realtor with 4 million searches a month. Here's one for plumbers, solar panels, pest control, roofer, appliance repair, electrician, and there are many, many more keywords and niches that we can get you ranked for. A dentist in Michigan hired a well-known SEO company and paid 6 figures in 1 year, almost 6 figures in 1 year, and they still never got him to the first page of Google, but When he switched to the strategy that I'm presenting to you, he was able to get in the 3-pack in less than 30 days, and he's still there. Now he has to go out and hire additional dentists and staff, and is planning on adding 8,000 square feet to his facility, and that's just for implants. Our software is going to find the keywords that your customers are searching for today and attach them to your practice or your business. According to Search Engine Roundtable, Google rewards you for being in the 3-pack by giving you higher listings in for organic keywords that you may not even be trying to get listed for. This is from February 2023. So basically, Google's AI bots are going to fall in love with your business, which means they're not only going to rank you in the 3-pack, but they're going to rank you higher for other keywords. Our goal is to get you ranked for at least 50 keywords, and if your business can handle it, we can do more. Here's an example. Here's a service-based business in Pasadena, California. The left side is the before, and then 8 days later is the right side. You see that they went in some places from being over 20th listing in Google to number 2, number 3. That's what we can do for you as well. So now you have a choice. You can take the blue pill and keep everything the same, keep wishing for more patients and customers, keep losing market share to your competitors, keep overpaying SEO companies to overpromise and underdeliver, keep wasting money on paid ads, and if you choose the blue pill, this guy has something to tell you. But if you choose the red pill, you can experience the delight of not being lied to by an SEO company. You can experience how to be profitable by being in the Google 3-pack, the pleasure of ranking for keywords you didn't even target, the excitement of being overbooked or overscheduled, the thrill of having new customers or patients every month. And keep in mind, we take all the risks because you don't pay us until you see results. If you choose the red pill, your next step is to schedule a 15 to 20 minute call with me by clicking the button below. We want to make sure that your business is a good fit. So click the red button now. I look forward to hearing from you. Again, this is William Knoll with leadsupport.net, under promising and over delivering.